The Israel Defense Forces, IDF, has started utilizing a new loitering munition known as the Spike Firefly. Created by Rafael, an Israeli defense giant, it's designed for short-range, high-intensity conflict situations, particularly urban warfare. IDF has expanded the usage of the Firefly drone from special operations to general infantry units. The drone is considered revolutionary, augmenting IDF's capabilities in dealing with complex border conflicts and internal strife in places like the West Bank. It's compact and versatile, weighing 6 pounds, and can fly up to 1,000 meters at speeds reaching 60 kilometers per hour. The drone is not overly noisy, making it less detectable, especially amidst the cacophony of a battlefield. The Firefly is equipped with advanced electro-optics, replaceable battery compartments, and can extend its flight time by operating without a munition payload. Training sessions on this advanced munition are held at Mahan Sor in the Negev desert. Lieutenant Daniel Ennis, leading the training, emphasized the real-world applicability and life-saving potential of the drone, particularly in situations too dangerous for infantry. Training also involves acclimating soldiers to new technologies and receiving real-time feedback from operators in the field. The incorporation of the Firefly munition is considered a prestigious advancement within IDF units. Initially rolled out to special forces, it is progressively being deployed to more generalized units, enhancing infantry capabilities considerably. The adoption of the Firefly munition marks a paradigm shift, as it becomes a staple like mortars in infantry warfare. Israeli defense firms are innovating rapidly, developing various models and exporting cutting-edge munition technology globally. The Firefly is part of Rafael's larger Spike family of systems, further advancing Israel's ground forces' technological capabilities. That's all for today. To stay up to date on AI Plus military developments, don't forget to subscribe.